Are you ready?
Welcome to the Empress building here in Mexborough, which is just on the outskirts of Sheffield, and I'll give you a hint of what our room is themed after. Please your answers in the comments. This is a Kevin Keegan suite at the Empress building. So we're going to start our room tour here in the bathroom. We've got a big mirror, hello, with loads of cute towels there. Now branding is everywhere. We've got this EB soap pump with a soap holder just over here. Heated towel rack, which is nice and warm. 2 towels, and then a bath mat on there with the flushers. And we got the most posh shower I've ever seen in my life. It's like a touch screen shower, and you use the plus and minus buttons to actually operate. And looks like they have shampoo, body wash and conditioner there. Unbranded, so I don't know what brand it is. And then you got a little cubby hole there to store your stuff. So if I come back out here, that's a bit of a bonus as well. We do have a shavers only plug, so if you've got electric toothpaste just as shavers, that's where to go. There is a little welcome booklet here where history meets comfort. There is a fridge. You can store all your cold drinks in there and all that. A lot of storage. There is a hairdryer in there as well. Got space for luggage down there as well. Big wardrobe with space and loads of hangers, and there is an ironing board in there as well. And there's also, just before I shut this, there's also extra storage in the drawers as well. So there's literally like loads of space knocking about as well. Yeah, you can see Kevin Keegan plastered all over the walls. And this mirror actually lights up, but I've just got the power off at the moment, but you can press the power button and then you can actually have it on there. There's your bed. The bed looks actually really comfortable, so we'll do a little bed test afterwards. We have a fan, complimentary tea, water, coffee there, sachets there. Obviously, since we're in Yorkshire, we've got the best tea going around, which is Yorkshire tea. We've got a kettle in there as well. Not much of a view, but apparently you can climb up the ladder and have a look at the window up the top of there if you wanted to. Well, there you go. That is the Empress building here in Mexborough, just on the outskirts of Sheffield. Look, I told you it was plastered all over the walls. Hey, let's do a bed test then here at the Empress building. It's firm, comfortable, very nice. You can see Kevin, like I said, you've got Kevin Keegan, literally, or it's plastered on the walls. It's a themed room here, but it's actually pretty cool actually. So yeah, that is my complete room tour here at the Empress Boutique Hotel here in Mexborough near Sheffield. All right guys, have a good one. I'll see you soon.